Wait, did I finally make it? I'm Kevin Replinger. And this is Tip Top Tuesday. Open rates. The tendency is for email senders to focus on open rates. But I've got bad news. We might be thinking about open rates incorrectly. Let's talk open rate misconceptions, what open rates actually track, and how we can use them to improve our donor communications. Let's dive in. Misconception 1. Open rates are 100% accurate. Unfortunately, recent updates to Apple mail systems mean that open rates are not what they used to be. Now, messages that are opened via Apple Mail tools can appear as opened even when your recipient has not interacted with them. Additionally, if your email body copy is too long, the tracking pixel that lives in the footer may show up invisible to your email tool. And so those emails will not show as open when somebody does engage with them. This is true for all emails, not just thank yous. So are open rates useless metrics? Hardly. Let's talk about why they actually have some real serious value. Misconception 2. Open rates indicate interest. It's possible someone clicked on your email to unsubscribe or by accident, and they didn't read all of the amazing copy you wrote or watch the video you created. What can we learn from open rates? One effective use of open rates that we recommend here at ThankYou is to implement a sunset policy. For recipients who have not interacted with any of your emails in 6 months, it's a good idea to retire those emails and reduce their contact frequency. This helps keep your reputation healthy and sharpens up those email metrics. Shwing! Not sure if you want to retire emails without asking donors first? That's actually a great idea. Consider building a sunset sequence, asking donors if they would still like to hear from you. Ask them preferences on email frequency, email versus text preferences, and other questions you'd like to ask them, but keep that survey as short and sweet as possible. Let's start looking at open rates as an opportunity rather than an obstacle. That's all for this week, but we'll see you next week with another Tip Top Tuesday. I can come back again, right?
Maybe.